This is a motorcycle's tale. Previously on A Motorcycle's Tale. What's that motorcycle? It's a Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. Today's motorcycle was kindly lent to us by the owners of Galaxy Movies. I have not been paid or received anything from them. They were just kind enough to let me use their motorcycle to review. How long has it been since you last visited a movie store? In a world dominated by digital streaming services, let's not forget the charm and allure of our local movie hire shop. It's more than just a place to rent films. By supporting your local movie hire shop, you're not just renting movies, you're investing in your community. You're supporting small business, preserving diversity in entertainment options, and ensuring future generations can experience the joy of browsing aisles filled with timeless classics and hidden gems. Also, not everyone can use streaming. Not everyone has the internet speed to use streaming. So visit your local movie store today and be part of something special. G'day and welcome to this episode. Today's motorcycle is a Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. Let's go for a ride. Off we go. Let's adjust our mirrors first. Let's get them right, hey? Off we go for a first ride on a Kawasaki Vulcan 650. Woohoo! And away we go. That back brake's a bit soft. Nice and comfy. The back seat feels a bit, or not back seat. That seat feels a bit different. Nice and soft, but feels, oh, I know why. Because it's for a small person. Isn't it, the owner of this bike? It's for a small person, not a tallie like me. Got a little bit of give and go in the throttle. Now the last time I came this way on a first time ride, there was an accident at this roundabout. Let's hope that there's not one this time. Okay, the mirrors are a bit small, but nice and adjustable actually, pretty adjustable. I actually don't mind them, they look funny. That's all, they just look funny. Right. Okay, it doesn't look like there's been an accident this time, so yay! I don't have to try and figure out how to get through the roundabout. So the Vulcan is a very cruisery style bike, and I like cruisers. To be honest, I'd probably like the handlebars if they were a little bit higher, but they're not in a bad position. I'm just leaning back a little bit, that's all. Whee! People are always going to get hit because other people don't look at what they're doing. Oh, the joys of riding on a motorbike. Let's see, if I was stretched out a little bit further with my feet, yeah, I think I would enjoy it a little bit more. Maybe not quite that much. Maybe about there. That'd probably be really comfy right about there. Okie dokie. I think that'll do to start us off. Let's go do some tests. Okay, here we go with the Figaros. Yep. Easy peasy. Three lines. Use the figure eights to go. A little bit trickier. So long as I full lock it, easy enough to do. Strangely enough, it's easier to full wheel lock it to the left than it is to the right. How interesting. Emergency stops on a Vulcan 650. Here we go. Get up to speed. That speed we are. And release, set, squeeze. Nice and smooth. Ooh, I like that. Number 2 of emergency stops. Let's get the speed a bit faster. Well, that's better. That was a bit faster. Okie dokie. And lovely. Here we go with number 3 for the emergency stops. Up to speed. Oh yeah. There we go. And okie dokie, Twisty Hill of Doom time. Let's go. Oh, no, I thought I was in second, but I'm not. I'm in first. It's handling it very well, but I am feathering the clutch. Flawless victory. Down the Twisty Hill we go. It's brake check time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is good. Oh yeah. The brakes are handling this with ease. To a stop we come. The Kawasaki Vulcan 650S ticks a bunch of boxes that riders really like. Customizable comfort. This bike comes with what they call an ergo fit system, letting you tweak things like foot pegs, seats and handlebars. It's like the Goldilocks of bikes, fitting all sorts of riders. So long as it's adjusted for you, right, Miss Short Bike Owner? It's got this zippy 649 twin engine that's perfect for both city cruising and highway runs. Easy to handle. The Vulcan handles like a dream. Whether you're weaving through traffic or tackling twisty roads, it's not too heavy, so even newbies can handle it like a pro, as shown in the figure O's and figure eights and Twisty Hill of Doom. With reliable front and back disc brakes, you'll stop on a dime when you need to. No heart-stopping moments here, as seen in today's emergency stops. This bike really does stop when you need it to. Wallet friendly. Compared to some other cruisers, this baby won't empty your bank account. Unlike my last cruiser that basically stole all my money with its upgrades. Stay tuned for a future review on that one. Now, while the Kawasaki Vulcan 650S definitely has its perks, there are a few things you might want to think over before hopping on. Passenger comfort. If you're planning on bringing a friend along for the ride often, just a heads up, the Vulcan S isn't exactly known for its plush passenger setup. Longer rides might not be as comfy for your riding partner. Vibrations at speed. Some folks mention feeling a bit of vibration from the engine, especially when you're really pushing it on the highway. Not a deal breaker for everyone, but worth noting if you're sensitive to that sort of thing. Watch your clearance. The Vulcan S sits a little bit lower compared to other bikes, so just be mindful of that if you're planning any off-road adventures or tackling obstacles like speed bumps. Customization constraints. While there are lots of aftermarket goodies out there, the Vulcan S might not have quite as many options as other popular bikes. So if you're all about making the bike your own ride, just keep that in mind. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 650S has a lot going for it. Performance, style, comfort, and ways to make it your own. But it's worth taking into account passenger comfort, possible vibrations at speed, extra storage solutions. Make sure it fits your needs. And I think that will wrap it up for today. I hope you've enjoyed our look at the Vulcan 650S. Keep your wheels down and have fun. Thank you, fellow riders, for tuning in to today's A Motorcycle's Tale. From completing the figure O's to navigating the treacherous Twisty Hill of Doom, we've explored the limits and capabilities of this motorcycle. If there's a motorcycle you're itching to see reviewed in the future, drop a comment below or shoot me an email on amotorcyclestale@gmail.com. I hope today's bike has shown you a motorcycle's tale. It's time for What's That Motorcycle?